Hello everyone, welcome back to COS and Education. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest CBSE updates. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the CBSE Reading Challenge Round 2 registration. Make sure you watch this video till the end to understand the process step by step. First, open your Chrome browser and type CBSE Reading Challenge 2025-26 in the search bar. Click on the very first link that appears. Next, the login window will open. Here, you need to enter your CBSE LOC login credentials and then click on the login button. Once you log in, the round 2 registration window will appear. This window has two important steps. Step 1, participation details, and 2, student registration. Let's start with the first one, participation details. Here, you will enter the details of the school level challenge that was completed in round 1. For example, you will need to mention how many students from grade 6 participated in the round 1 challenge. Same manner, you need to enter the other classes too. After completing this section, you can move on to the student registration, where you will enter the details of the students who are going to participate in round 2. Now, let's move on to registration. In this section, you will enter the following details for each student: student name, gender, class, paper type. After completing the entry, make sure to double check the data and then click on the Add Candidate button. Important note, for the Hindi paper type, both the school name and candidate name must be typed in Hindi only. You need to repeat this process for the remaining classes as well. Also remember, for English, only one student per class is allowed. For Hindi, only one student per class is allowed. That means in total, you will enter 5 students for English and 5 students for Hindi. Thanks again for being a part of this important initiative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next video.